Okay, so pull the meter tape taut, and then using the compass, you want to align it, have your partner move so it aligns so that it's due north. So can you take a step to your left, please? The wind is fighting us a little bit, but there we go. That lines up north. Okay, and then we'll just set down the meter tape. All right, so now that we have our meter tape set out for our transect, we're going to use some flags to make markers where our plots will be. So this is just a helpful visual tool so that you can see where you're going to be working and make sure that you do the right sampling and the right plots. So here we have orange flags for the vegetation only sampling, and then we have blue flags where we'll be doing vegetation and soil sampling. So we're going to go out and put a flag at the appropriate places for the sampling. So every 5 meters, I'm starting at 0. And you'll see in your data sheet the order of this vegetation and soil sampling. So we'll walk this out, starting at 0, and then every 5 meters. So we're going to start with our first plot. What we'll do is we'll align the plot on the right side of the transect as you're looking north, or the east side. So here we have our flag indicating where to start the plot. So we'll line it up right along the transect. Now we want to avoid really abnormal things in the landscape. So ant mounds, gopher, badger, prairie dog holes, anything like that that's really very abnormal. And so in this case, we actually do cover part of an ant mound that you can see here. So in a case like this, what we're actually going to do is we're going to use the left or the western side of the transect. And this is because we're trying to understand the kind of more representative vegetation cover. So in this case, we'll move our plot to this side, again lining up the start of the plot with the flag and along the transect line. And now we're ready to start our vegetation sampling.